Lights go down, crowd gets loud, boots hit steel, fists in the air. Smoke rolls out across the stage. Friday night, nobody cares.
The amps begin to scream alive, people pushing to the front. Then the spotlight hits the roof, and somebody screams,
"Look, the diving bird!" Under the roof above the stage, between the cables in the heat, there's a bird up in its nest while thousands move beneath. The bass hits hard through flesh and bone. Beer flies high across the pit, but the little bird stays calm. High above all of it, hands go up, the front row shakes, someone climbs up for the dive. One deep breath, one crazy jump, then he flies across the night. Diving bird, up above the stage tonight, down below the crowd ignites. Diving bird, earnest and a stage dive, both just wanna feel alive. Diving bird, crowd surfers above the pit, the little bird still watches it. Feathers up and fists down here, everybody wants to fly Security pulls people out. Someone falls and gets back up. The band plays way too loud for some, but that's exactly what we want. The floor keeps moving like a wave, boots and bodies crashing hard. Everybody screams along, like this night will never stop. The bird looks down onto the pit, like it's part of every song. Between the noise and flashing lights, it feels like where it belongs. Diving bird, up above the stage tonight, down below the crowd ignites. Diving bird, earnest and a stage dive, both just wanna feel alive. Diving bird, crowd surfers above the pit, the little bird still watches it. Feathers up and fists down here, everybody wants to fly tonight, tonight. Diving bird, lift him up, let him fly, hands together to the sky. Lift him up one more time, no one leaves this place alive. Diving bird, up above the stage tonight, down below the crowd ignites. Diving bird, earnest and a stage dive, both just wanna feel alive. Diving bird, crowd surfers above the pit, the little bird still watches it. Feathers up and fists down here, everybody wants to fly tonight, tonight. Diving bird, crowd goes wild, lights burn red, bird still sitting